Today we are making sticky apricot tofu, a fun twist on the classic orange chicken. Let's start by preparing our tofu. Today we will be using the extra firm kind, however super firm would work well. The first step is to press out as much water from it as possible to create a crispier texture. Gently squeeze out the excess water with your hands and cut the tofu in half. Then place paper towels over the top and bottom, and something heavy to stack on top of it. Make sure to replace the towels once they become soaked, and repeat this process for at least 15 minutes. In a large bowl, we are going to pull apart our tofu in chunks. I like to gently dab the tofu with paper towels as I go to remove even more water from it. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and gently mix it in evenly throughout our tofu pieces. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, mix gently, then sprinkle in another tablespoon. Then drizzle in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix again. Cook the tofu in the air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to check on it halfway. While the tofu is cooking, let's make our sauce. Heat a medium-sized saucepan on medium heat and add 2/3 cups of mashed apricots, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. We are going to bring it to a boil and stir occasionally until it thickens. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. What we are doing here is reducing the apricots, which brings out more flavor as it thickens. Once thickened, reduce the heat to low, then add a 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon each of cumin, paprika, and onion powder. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but that is completely optional. While our sauce is simmering, let's check on our tofu. Once they're crispy to your liking, add them directly into the sauce and coat each piece evenly. This dish works amazingly with some rice and your favorite veggie. Lastly, garnish with some sesame seeds and green onions, and enjoy!